Hi everyone, my name is Matt Savory and I'm the Chief Investment Officer here at M. Griffith Investment Services. April is Financial Literacy Month, and our educational series, the Millionaire, is starting right now. And today, I'm going to share with you 4 ways to become a millionaire. Number 1, you can win the lottery. One of the quickest ways to become a millionaire is to win the lottery. However, the chances of success are terrible. Number 2, inheritance. Some are fortunate to inherit a lot of money. However, most won't inherit enough money to significantly impact their lives. Number 3, entrepreneurship. You can start your own business. However, this is very difficult, takes a certain kind of person, and the risks are substantial. Number 4, a lifetime of diligent savings and investing. Honestly, this is the most boring way to do it, but arguably, it is the most reliable. If you're interested in learning more about option 4, we'll be going into way more detail at our 2 workshops, April 30th and May 3rd. Click the link above to register.